Hello, everyone. I want to invite you to our special Burning Bowl celebration this Sunday morning. It starts out with an opportunity to write down the things that you're ready to release as we leave behind one calendar year and move into the next one. So this could be experiences that you've had that you feel like have been heavy and are still weighing on your heart. It's not that you don't remember them, but that you don't hold them with that same level of gravitas, I guess. You're willing to let them go, you're willing to forgive, you're willing to move into the present. It may be heavy emotions that you've been carrying for too long. And why are you carrying them? Perhaps it's because of beliefs that you have that are no longer serving you, that are not appropriate to the life that you want to move into. Maybe it's habits. We all have habits that aren't serving us, and this is a time that we could make an intention to release those habits. So that kind of thing, we write it down and then we put it in the bowl and we watch it burn. And it's ritual. Ritual has great power to it. It's better than just writing down a resolution and saying, okay, this is what I'm going to do, because we know those don't really work very well. But when you combine it with ritual, when you release what's holding you back and then set an intention for moving forward, that has greater power. And we couple this with a ceremony where it starts with a visualization, and it's a prolonged visualization where we go into our inner sanctuary and we find the word of power that is ours to be our North Star for the year. And then we invite someone from the spirit realm, a spirit animal, to accompany us on this year in order to help us to be able to live into the word that is ours for the year. So you never know. It's not something you pick in advance and say, oh, I'm going to be a lion this year. No. You wait and you see who comes in the process of the visualization. So we'll have music as we always do. But this is the key part of our service. So I hope that you will come. And this is a wonderful one to invite your friends to, because everybody needs to release something, and everybody benefits from setting their sights and having accompaniment from the spirit realm. So I will see you on Sunday. And if you're planning to attend but online, make sure that you have paper to write with and something to burn it with, or if your home situation is such that burning wouldn't be appropriate, you could always bring toilet paper to write on and flush it. It's also a powerful ritual. So I'll see you one way or another on Sunday.